everyone, today I'm going to explore the winter lights at Canary Wharf in London. It is a special winter event where the city lights up with amazing light art. When it gets dark, the streets, bridges, and water glow with colorful shapes and bright designs. Have you seen these flashing lights? Artists from different countries make these light artworks to surprise and delight visitors. We can walk around, explore, and discover each glowing display. Some lights even change colors or move when you walk by. Have you seen these spinning lights? It feels like a nighttime adventure, and every corner has something new to see. Wow, this looks like magic. There are so many beautiful and colorful lights. It's cold outside, so make sure you wear a warm coat, a hat, and gloves. But don't worry, the lights make everything feel warm and magical. What's this? When I move my hand, it appears on the display. The light can see my movement and follow me. That is so cool! Winter Lights is free to visit and perfect for families. It's a wonderful way to enjoy winter evenings, take photos, and make happy memories together. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.